Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Tempo account. Tempo is a powerful video editing app that helps you create smooth, aesthetic and professional looking video using templates, effects and beat sync features. If you're into real short videos or content creation, Tempo is a great app to start with. So if you have just downloaded the Tempo video editing app and do not know how to sign up or create your account, make sure you watch this video till the end. First of all, you need to open to this Tempo video editing app on your phone. Over here, you need to accept to the term of service and privacy policy from the Tempo app. Simply select accept. Over here, select continue. And once you reach into this dashboard, on the bottom right, there's a profile icon. Select to the profile icon here and select creator center at the top. Here, you can select either the login platform from your Apple, Google or the Facebook, as I'm choosing to this Google on the middle, and you are also required to select this small icon here and over here. So once you get into this pop-up, scroll a bit down until you find this continue on the bottom. Select continue. This is how you can create with the Tempo video editing app. So now everything is done. You can create your video or you can start editing. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.